We need a desk lamp that possesses the perfect light balance and doesn't strain our eyes and is best suited for our tasks. Let's have a look at some of the best products for this in today's video. The Coochere 15-watt eye care is the 5th best product on our list today. The flexible Coochere 15-watt eye care boasts impressive rotation capabilities with a head that turns 180 degrees and a base that swivels 360 degrees. It also has 5 different dimming settings and 4 lighting modes, including sleep, relax, study, and read. You can rotate the whole body, adjust the angle of the body, adjust the angle of the head, and even rotate the head to the left and right. The fully adjustable design sounds interesting considering that this is a low-budget light. At number 4, we have the Globe Electric 35-inch Architect. Globe Electric's 35-inch heavy base Architect spring-balanced swing arm desk lamp is an ideal option for desk lighting. The spring-loaded swing arm is easily adjustable, stretching to 35 inches at its tallest to directly light whatever you need the most. The long cord allows you the ability to place the light anywhere you want, regardless of where your wall socket is located. The large rotary on-off switch is conveniently located on the lampshade for quick and easy use. It requires one 60-watt A19 E26 base bulb. At number 3, we have Newhouse Lighting 6-watt. The Newhouse Lighting 6-watt is perfect for students because it incorporates a removable power cord, making it easy to pack up and move from the library to the dorm. Plus, it is extremely long-lasting, with lights built to survive 28 years of typical daily use. Limelight's LD1002-GRN Gooseneck is the second best product on the list today. Style and functionality meet with this fun organizer desk lamp with iPad stand. It is beautifully finished in vibrant neon green color and comes equipped to hold many of the important essentials needed in a desk organizer. The flexible chrome gooseneck allows you to point the light exactly where you need it. The on-off flip switch is located on the base for convenience. The organizer includes 8 compartments for storing pens, pencils, paper clips, and more. And it also has a spot to rest your iPad, book, or notebook for easy viewing. It is perfect for the office, for the kids' room, or for a college dorm. At number 1, top of our list, let's check out the Trond Halo 10-watt. The Trond Halo 10-watt is a high-tech, fully adjustable model with a gooseneck arm for flexibility and an innovative light guide panel for creating 100% flicker-free anti-glare illumination. Best of all, a convenient sliding dimmer lets you quickly adjust the brightness levels.
We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.